Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to access Facebook Marketplace, whether you are doing it in your PC or in your mobile device. So this particular tutorial is perfect if you want to buy, sell or browse the items using your desktop. So make sure that you stick around till the end so that you could get the quick tip if you don't see the Marketplace tab over here. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to come on facebook.com and log in into your that particular account which you want to use in order to access the Facebook Marketplace. You can also follow the same steps in your mobile device. You need to open the Facebook app and log in into your account. Over here on the home page itself, you will see a bunch of different options in the left hand section. Among these options, you will notice that we have the Marketplace option. So simply click on it. Once you click on the Marketplace option, you will be landed inside Marketplace where you can browse by category. You can just use the search bar here in the top in order to search for any of the items, and you can also filter it out with the help of the location and the pricing. In the right hand section, you will see the location option. So you can click on this location option, enter your location, and it is going to show you the items based on the location that you have selected. In the left hand section, you will see the notifications tab where you will get all of your notifications. In the inbox tab, you will see all of the buying and the selling that you are doing with the person whom you want to deal with. Next, you will see the buying and the selling option again. If you want to create your own listing, you can definitely do it by clicking on this create new listing option. Here you need to select whether you want to sell any item or a vehicle or home. So after selecting it, you can upload the photographs and select enter your listings. You can also browse the filters over here with the help of the categories. So this is how you can access Facebook Marketplace in 2025. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tips, and comment below if you want me to create tutorials on any other topic. Thanks for watching.